Aura, the world's first graphene headphones. Aura GQ headphones uses nanotechnology to deliver the most groundbreaking audio listening experiences. Scientists have long promised that one day graphene will find its way into many facets of our lives, including displays, electronic circuits, and sensors. Aura's graphene technology makes it one of the first companies to have created a commercially viable application of this Nobel Prize winning material, a major scientific achievement. The GQ headphones have equipped with Aura's patented Graphene HQ membranes providing unparalleled fidelity. The headphones also offer all the features you would expect from a high-end audio product: wired/wireless operation, a gesture control trackpad, a digital MEMS microphone, breathable lambskin leather, and an ear-shaped design optimized for sound quality and isolated comfort. Graphene pushes the limitations of loudspeaker, a technology that has seen little innovation since its invention in 1921. Aura takes a material that is 200 times stronger than steel and 1000 times lighter than paper and uses it to make flawless sound. Typical closed headphones left produce in head imaging where the entire sound stage appears to come only from the small space between your ears. Graphene Q provides better localization cues, producing a wider, more realistic listening experience. Graphene Q's low mass prevents it from blurring sound with the resonance and phase shifts. Graphene Q reacts more accurately than other materials, which allows you to truthfully recreate the original recording without additional artifacts. Graphene is a new material, first isolated only 13 years ago. Graphene is a hexagonal crystal lattice in a perfect honeycomb structure. This fundamental geometry makes graphene ridiculously strong and lightweight. It has been dubbed the wonder material because of its potential to change the world as we know it. Interstellar ANC wireless headphones. In the interest of keeping things short and to the point, here is the quick 411 on these new awesome headphones that will be made with your support. Here is the quick 411 on these awesome new headphones that will be made with your support. The company has hidden the Interstellar button away on the outer edge of the earpads. Interstellar's headband and earpads will be made of top quality protein leather that is sweat proof, comfortable, cool to touch with memory foam for maximum comfort and fit. The earpads surface can withstand our rigorous button test 5,000 times. Interstellar's outer shell is constructed of PC with a UV finish and an aluminum decorative plate with anodized paintfish, offering extra hardness, durability, impact, and resistance. Malectronic's goal has always been to provide high-quality wireless audio solutions at the realistic and affordable prices. The company believes that the bulk of the amount you pay should not be to buy or pay for a name. However, it should be able to pay for the quality sound and a solid product. Our current MSRP pricing goal for Interstellar wireless headphones is $200. Additional features being looked at may increase the MSRP or completion of securing better deals on materials may enable us to lower the prices as well. Malectronic has created many speakers and headphones and often appear in the social limelight. The company likes to think it's because our dedication to our product and our relationship with our customers. Fusion, world's first wireless DJ headphones. The company believes that music has the power to relieve and uplift people's soul. With Fusion headphones, you can hear the sound you should hear, the bass, the detail, the dynamics. Most importantly, you feel the power of the music. As an original brand manufacturer that specializes in designing and developing ultra-high quality headphones, One Audio aims to create a wireless professional DJ headphones for DJs and music lovers. The company has worked hard on the functional verification of our protocol as DJ headphones are usually wired, but ours are wired and wireless. The experts came up with the ingenious design on dual duty cable, which allows free conversions between 3.5 mm and 6.3 mm jacks. Also, the experts have addressed the pain point of the DJ headphones needing adapters by achieving the features of adapter free. Our team has worked hard to accomplish this project. The experts has designed the product's appearance, structure, and electronic components. The next steps include carrying a mass production and conducting a frequent market analysis to ensure the stability of the product. The company strives to design and create professional and high quality sound headphones. The experts have carefully listened to the people's feedback. With your contribution, we will successfully complete these DJ Plus wireless headphones multifunctional, faster, and better. The company is passionate about the DJ headphones, therefore, we have worked hard on their design, ear cups, comfortable headband, defined sound, portability, and the loudness of the sound. We also created a jack lock system, so no matter how much movement there is, the cable will not go off the headphones port. This is a great plus for DJs and musicians. This is a unique cable specially designed for Fusion headphones. On one of the ends there is 3.5 mm jack and on the other end there is 6.3 mm jack. This great features allows free conversations and most importantly it's adapter free, perfect for mixers, electric guitars, keyboards and more. We wanted to take these headphones to the next level, so we made them a wired and wireless. With Bluetooth version 4.0, Fusion headphones are designed to easily pair with other Bluetooth devices such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets. Air mode transforms wired headphones into wireless. Now that Apple have removed that 3.5 mm jack from the iPhone 7 and due to the high prices charged by the headphones brand for wireless headphones, the company has decided to launch Air Mode. Air Mode offers you a stylish and affordable way to switch your wired headphones into a great pair of wireless headphones whilst giving you all the same features that a premium wireless headphone can. Why switch your headphone when you can just switch your cable? With Air Mode, you can convert your wired phone into a great pair of wireless headphones. Air Mode delivers all the same features that a premium wireless headphone can, as well as giving you the ability to still use your current wired pair. Incorporating AAC, aptX, and Bluetooth 4.1 wireless technology, our premium cables deliver the very best in portable hi-fi sound whilst giving you the full control over your music and calls from up to 10 meters away. Additionally, Air Mode features two high-definition microphones that actively block out wind, traffic, and other external noises, ensuring crystal clear phone calls and voice recognition commands even in the noisiest environment. It will tune your music to be optimized, offer Siri and Google Now connectivity, enable users to make and receive calls, features Bluetooth, features NFC for easy pairing and much more. If you own a favorite pair of wired headphones that you would like to convert to support wireless connectivity, you may be interested in a new piece of hardware called Air Mode that converts wired headphones to a wireless. Verto 3-in-1 convertible speakers and headphones. Verto is a powerful pair of clear dual-sided headphones that can quickly switch between 3 different modes for an unparalleled versatile listening experience. Enjoy your music and audio the way you want it, exactly when you need it. With Verto, your audio will be ready for you in any situation. Verto uses high-fidelity dual-sided coaxial speaker units to give you clear, powerful, rich sound from either side of the earphones. The speaker use a shared core to power either ends and incorporate different diaphragms on each side to adapt to the different listening modes. On the headphone side, a thin vibration diaphragm gives you a crisp, detailed sound for extra fidelity in your audio. On the speaker side, a paper vibration diaphragm ensures powerful, dynamic sound and booming bass without compromising the clarity in the highs and mid-tones. Verto detects the position of the speakers to determine what mode to switch to. When the headphone flips, the core drivers also switch to the project sound to the appreciate side, ensuring a seamless listening experience. Verto is perfect for commutes. Use headphone modes to zone out the drone of the subway, then switch to wearable mode to stay safe and aware when you bike or walk the rest of the way. Focus at your favorite coffee shop with headphones mode. Work on your report or just enjoy to your morning playlist as you sip your latte. Whether it's a group call or a solo video meeting, Verto is greater for conferencing. The speakers will clearly project your calls and the built-in mic will easily pick up and isolate your voice even on the speaker mode. Zone in your workout with headphones mode, share the love the speakers mode or stay comfortable, safe and hindrance-free with wearable mode. With a built-in mic and easy side control, Worko can activate your virtual assistant without you pulling out your phone.